Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how to crochet this little thing. It is a keychain for bag or for car. You may use it where you want. And I will record several videos, and 3 to be exact. So I will show you how to crochet each of these paws. The methods of crocheting are different, and I will show you how to crochet each type of these toes. And today we will crochet this type of the paw, the third and the last. I will use light pink color and light green color for the paw, and the number of crochet hook is the same. I will use 4 millimeters. So let's start with the green color, and the first round is 7 single crochet into the magic ring, but I work 2 chain stitch, and from the second stitch of the hook I work 7 single crochet. Three, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Finish this round, and the next round is 7 increases. After the second round we will change the color of the yarn. 1 increase, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Do not finish the 7th single crochet, and we will finish it with the pink color yarn. Make a knot, don't snip the green color, we will use it later to make toes. So the third round of the paw is 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 7 times. We work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase till the end of the round. Fourth, the 5th increase, 6th, and the last one, the 7th. At the end of the round it should be 21 single crochet, and in the next round we will make toes. Start crocheting with pink color. Use the marker to identify the beginning of the round and work 7 single crochet. Do not finish the 7th stitch, finish it with the green color, and then walk 3 double crochet into the next stitch, into one stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 and 3 double crochet, and finish the last double crochet with pink color yarn. Then walk 1 single crochet with pink color, finish it with the green color, and walk 3 double crochet into one stitch again. At all we need to make 4 such toes. Finish the last double crochet with pink color, walk 1 single crochet, but finish it with the green color, and make the same combination 2 more times. 3 double crochet into one stitch, one single crochet, and 3 double crochet into one stitch for the last time. 2 and 3. After that we may snip the green color yarn. We don't use it again. And finish the round with 6 single crochet. The first, the second, third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. It should be 29 stitches in a round. And the next round we walk 1 increase, and 28 single crochet till the end of the round. At the end of the round it should be 30 single crochet. And the next round 6 we walk just 30 single crochet and make it by yourself. I finished, and from the next round we start to walk decreases. So the round 7 we walk 3 single crochet and 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. At the end of the round it should be 24 single crochet, and the next round we walk 2 single crochet and 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. At the end of the round it should be 18 single crochet. Now we need to fill the paw with fiber a bit. and continue crocheting. The next round 9 is 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times. Decrease, 1 single crochet followed by 1 decrease. At the end of the round it should be 12 stitches in a round. We need to add some fiber into the paw. And we will walk the last round and we'll close the paw. The last round 10 is 6 decreases. After that we need to tighten the ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, the 6th decrease. Snip the thread, leave it a bit longer to tighten the ring. We will use sewing needle and we need to get 6 front loops of the last round. And tighten the ring. After that, hide the thread in the paw. So our paw is ready. Snip the thread. So I hope you like it. It's look very pretty and I hope you will crochet it. Put likes, write comments if you like it, and see you in the next videos. And in the next video we will crochet dinosaur. So bye bye.